Take time to review the full Standard 5, Digital Citizenship, using resources from ISTE and Fairfax County. Note that the standard includes 3 components. This analysis by Fairfax County organizes these components into literacies coaches may possess to demonstrate competency in the standard. Consider how the standard impacts the SBIT's role and supports both division and school policies and practices. Whether you are currently an SBIT or considering becoming one, consider how you currently support and communicate those policies and practices, and whether you need additional information to do so more fully. To whom else at your building or within the district might you reach out to learn more about expectations for acceptable and responsible use for students and adults? What roles can you play to help promote digital citizenship across campus and beyond? Download the accompanying companion document and use it to create your own goals for this module. What you need to know or be able to do to successfully meet your goals. Consider reasonable action steps to help you meet your goals, and determine how you will know once you have done so successfully.